Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Boiled meat can make a tender and juicy stew or pot roast. Tough cuts of beef are tenderized through a slow cooking process using a small amount of liquid in a covered pot. Cooking with moist heat will not only make meat tender but also increase the digestibility and bioavailability of nutrients.
Take our lead.
About 1.5 hours. Cook over medium-high heat, scraping the pan with a wooden spoon to loosen any browned bits. Add the beef broth and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a slow simmer. Cover and cook, skimming broth from time to time, until the beef is tender, about 1.5 hours.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Various proteins in meat fibers coagulate over a range of temperatures from 105 F 40 C to 195 F 90 C temperatures that are far below boiling point, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. The higher the cooking temperature, the tougher the muscle fibers become, and the more they shrink in both length and width.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Flour can be used in two different ways. Toss meat pieces in flour prior to browning. The flour helps to thicken a stew as it cooks. Whisk a teaspoon of flour in a little cold water to make a slurry, then stir into the stew as it's cooking.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
From a long, slow cook to the power of a brine, here are 6 ways to get the job done. Pound it out. Pounding softens and tenderizes meat, making it easier to cut and eat. Harness the power of salt. Use an acidic marinade. Consider the kiwi. Give it some knife work. Slow cook it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.